This home is proudly listed by Becky and Ryan Belk of Keller Williams Preferred Realty. Becky and Ryan make selling or buying real estate easy. Please enjoy touring this home and text or call 919-201-8278 to see this wonderful home in person. This is it. Your chance to own a charming and secluded custom-built home on 5.2 rolling acres. Soaring ceilings and open floor plan lends itself to easy entertaining. Brand new exterior paint. Amazing views of mature forest from every window. Screened porch and deck. Fenced backyard. 2 bedrooms and loft. Fireplace and great room. Hardwood floors. New interior paint. These pictures are not the new int. Paint so much personality in this amazing